Right guys, welcome back to another vlog at Enkahnz HQ, and today we've got Adam. He's driven up at, what time did you set up, Adam?
2:30 this morning.
2:30 in the morning. And he got, what time did you get here? You here before
We
me?
got about 8:30 to be fair, give me enough time to get up here. And it was a lovely drive to be fair, but these guys are great. They've been supplying us some kits in the past for our Defender, etc. But we've come up with Range Rover Sport today. Price they quoted was a no-brainer. They are supplying, spraying and fitting the kit for us as a one-stop shop, so it just helped us massively.
Cars outside, bumpers have already been pre-painted.
Yep.
Colour code was Forensi red. So them bumpers have already been sprayed, prepped, painted, built up in the workshop.
We have around 40 to 50 cars in stock. We predominantly do Land Rovers. We do other brands like BMW, Lamborghini, Mercedes, etc. But we predominantly like Land Rovers because you can do so much with them to make them stand out from the others.
But how long have you guys been doing it, Adam?
10 years now.
10 years?
Yeah.
And how's it been? How's it
Yeah, really enjoyable, especially now we're dipping our toes into customisation of cars, because we've always been just doing cars that come in stock. But for example, we had a Land Rover Defender 90 V8, had it in stock 8-9 weeks, not one lead. So contacted these guys, they supplied us a kit, we fitted it, within 7 days it sold. So it goes to show it really does work.
Very good, very good. To be honest with you, I've noticed a lot of customers, when they're looking through Auto Trader trying to buy a car, they might see one for, I don't know, £50,000 a Defender, and then there's another one that you might have that's got a light bar, rear roof spoiler, wheels, and it makes a world of a difference. And people think, you know what, in the same price, I'd rather get one that's modified and looks a bit more aggressive.
It just makes them stand out from the crowd, and this is why we've chose these guys, because they make your cars look sick. So watch out, because this car's gonna look wicked.
All right, let's go outside, Adam, and show us this Forensi red Range Rover that you bought down.
Lovely. So this car is coming in today for the front bumper, which these guys supply and spray, plus the front splitter and the rear bumper as well.
And the grille.
Oh, and the grille. Yes, and the grille. Don't forget the grille. They do a lot more stuff for these cars, for the sports to be precise, but our customer had a certain budget, and we fit it within his budget.
Very good. So you sold the car to the customer?
Yes.
And then after that, he said, you know what, I'll source and supply the body kit for you as well.
Correct, yeah.
And then you've brought the car down from Dorset, which is 5 hours.
5 hours, yeah.
5 hours here to get the body kit fitted, and hopefully by this afternoon you should be driving back to Dorset with a fully customised Range Rover.
And it's a surprise to his missus. She doesn't even know. She thinks it's gone in for a service. So I snuck it off the drive at 2:30 this morning, and it's going to come back looking a completely different car. She's going to be over the moon. Fingers crossed.
Very good. Also, you collected it from the customer's house?
This morning, left my car there, jumped in this one, and brought it straight up without the missus even knowing.
Very good, very good. Right, brilliant. So
let's get down to business and get it cracking.
Let's get cracking. Let's get the car into the workshop. So, Defender here, Defender 110. This is in for like an expedition pack. So we've got a light bar, front lip with the lights, SVR style bonnet.
Okay.
Wide arches, wheels, mud flaps, side steps. So this is like a quick little expedition pack.
Yeah, nice.
The back of it with the quad exhaust.
It's nice to see it like this, because when we, you supplied us the kit for, we went a little bit tame. We got the rear cover, the boot spoiler, light bar, the bonnet vents, and that transformed it. But now I've seen you do all this as well. Definitely do one of these to one of our Defenders.
Brilliant, perfect. And then over here we've got an SVR. Customers come down from Wales, and he's gone for like a front lip.
Okay.
He's had some big 24-inch wheels.
Obviously your badge is put on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, 24s. Wow, they look amazing, don't they? Are they one of your best-selling wheels, would you say?
They've been very, very common. That was like one of the first 24-inch wheels we did. So it's still going quite strong, that wheel.
Yeah.
But now that one's very, very common. A rear roof spoiler.
Well, that is aggressive, isn't it? Yeah, I like that.
And then it's got like a subtle, bigger diffuser at the back. So it's not...
This is all your kit, is it? So all these bits you've provided for the client?
Yeah.
Nice. That looks mean, doesn't it?
Yeah, very
SVRs look mean anyway, but now with that extra diffuser and rear spoiler.
Just a few little bits make a world of a difference.
It does. What about the R8? Is that something you're doing to that?
R8 is one of our like regular clients that we have, and because they've stopped doing this car, I think they stopped making them now, the R8s. But unfortunately, he had a few little bits of rust over here.
Okay, so just coming in for a bit of body prep more than anything.
Body work over here, a few scratches. So he's got that in to get that fixed. Very loud car. I think it's got like a Miltech exhaust.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's like
They sound good standard, the V10s, let alone the Miltech.
This is like a V10 Plus.
Yeah, nice.
That's like a very high spec car. We've got a Firenze Red Range Rover Sport.
So what do you do for these so far?
For this one, we've got a few options, but this customer's changing the colour, unfortunately.
Oh, is he really?
Yeah, it's Firenze Red. We've told him not to change the colour, but he wants to change the colour.
Painting or wrapped?
Painting it.
No.
So full respray inside out. We said pick any colour you want. Do like a flip colour, chameleon colour, anything. But
nice.
he was like, he wants to do it white.
Really?
Yeah.
Would it not cheaper to go out and buy a white one?
Yeah, I'd assume so, yeah, but I did mention to him, buy the cheapest one you can, in any cheap colour.
Yeah.
He ended up buying this one, which is Firenze Red. Don't really want to be respraying this white, but...
No, I get it. It's a very desirable colour, isn't it? Especially with a black pack.
Yes. So this is getting like a full wide arch kit, like a very, very wide kit.
So what goes onto the wings?
Yeah.
Rear quarters?
Yes.
Nice.
Like a full wide Barugzai kit. And then what else?
When will this one be ready?
This one has just come in, so I reckon it'll probably be ready in about 3-4 weeks.
So hopefully we can put it in the video, but it might be edited by then and finished.
We'll try and get this in the video. Then we've got a G-Wagon, old G-Wagon. I think it's a 2013 plate.
Okay, and what do you do with these?
What we've done is we've facelifted it to make it look like a new one.
Okay.
So now you can see it's got the new headlights.
Yes.
And it'll be looking like a 2021, 22.
Yeah, sure. Sure. That's a great idea, to be fair.
The new ones, I think they go for about 120 grand.
Yeah.
Whereas the old ones you can pick up for about 45, 50.
And then we're putting a price for the kit on, you still got a massive saving.
Yeah.
And you still look the kiddie driving down the road. Yeah, nice idea. I like it.
Pretty much. And then what else have we got in? We've got another Sport, and that is also getting the same wide arch kit like that one. But this is like a massive, massive body kit. It's like a big...
He's going loud with it, is he?
Yes, it's going to be like one of them where you can see it from a mile off. Like, what's that on the motor?
Yeah, sure.
So Adam's going to probably nip into Bradford City Centre.
Yeah, I'm going to go for a little relaxing afternoon. I've got my laptop. I need to find somewhere just to chill out, do my work, come back here for 3:30. Fingers crossed, we can drive straight back to Bournemouth and deliver it to our client.
Right guys, so the Range Rover is all finished and complete. Adam's been to the spa, he's had a gym session.
I have indeed.
He's enjoyed himself today in Bradford while we've been busy with the Range Rover. So you can see we fitted it with the Sport Aero front bumper. Adam's gone for a front splitter on there as well. And then he's got these quad DRL lights on either side. And we've also put an SVR center grille on for him as well. So you can see. What do you think, Adam? Let us know.
Absolutely love it. They offered to do black badges as well, but I had a set at home. That's the only reason it's like this. Top job. I turned up at 9 o'clock this morning. They were really welcoming, made me a coffee, went through the options again. I went off to the gym for a couple of hours, had a sauna. By the time I'm back, it was done. Great service, highly recommend. I'm definitely bringing back more cars.
So
thank you, my man.
No worries. Guys. So if you want to buy a Range Rover, Defender, hit up Adam. Adam will come down from Bournemouth or Dorset, wherever he's based. All I know is he's 5 hours away, and he'll make the trek up here, and he'll get your car customised and hand it over to you, fully customised. So the back of the Range Rover fitted with the diffuser.
Just transforms it, doesn't it?
And the exhaust tips.
Amazing. Yeah. Highly recommended, guys. Thanks again, mate. You've been
no
great,
worries.
Honestly.
Anytime, Adam.
Bless you,
anytime.
Mate. Thank you.
And that's a wrap, guys. Let us know if you want to see some more of Adam on here. Hopefully he's got a Range Rover. He's already bought one.
Yes. I actually bought a Range Rover today whilst I was at the gym. It was an 18 plate in white. I'm going to bring it straight here to be customised, ready for a client.
Right guys, I just got a message from Adam from Dorset. He's just buying another Range Rover Sport that he wants to bring down to Enkahnz HQ. He's going to be picking it up today. He sent me some pictures. It looks like it's a Fuji White. Looks like a Fuji White to me. So there are the pictures. It's on a 68 plate, and he wants to get this project started as well. Let's give him a quick call, find out what the plans are.
I'm just with the customers, mate. I'll call you straight back.
No worries, Adam. Thanks, mate.
Thank you, mate.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Bye. guys, we've got Adam's Range Rover Sport that's just been dropped off from Dorset. So the driver set off at midnight last night to drop off this Range Rover, and I think he was in Bradford for about 6 AM hanging around, and we opened up at 9 AM and he was the first customer here to drop off this Range Rover. And you can see behind me the technicians have stripped down the front bumper, so the old front bumper is over here. And they have already removed the parking sensors, wiring loom, fog lights out of the original bumper, and now they have been transferred into the new front bumper, which is in front of us over there. And you can see technicians already on the ball. They've already got the parking sensors wired up. They've got the new fog lights in there as well. Front split has been fitted to that bumper, all fully assembled with the jet washers as well. So that is literally ready to rock and roll. Now, coming around the back of the Range Rover, you can see they've got the back bumper taken off, tail lights taken out, and we are ready to fit up the new parts on this car. So Adam has bought this car in for a Barugzai front bumper with the front splitter, rear bumper with the quad exhaust tips in black, a rear roof spoiler. We're going to be fitting the car with a rear roof spoiler, which sticks on top of the existing one. We're going to be taking off the lettering and putting on Barugzai lettering with the gold shield. And he's also getting some 22-inch Barugzai Sabre alloy wheels. Now that's a hell of a lot of work to do in one day. So the car's being dropped off at 9 AM. It's currently 12:15 midday, and this car needs to be ready for 5 PM today. So they're going to get all the bodywork done today. The new wheels, what we're going to do is we're going to fit the Barugzai wheels into the boot, and then the driver will be driving back down to Dorset and Adam will get them wheels fitted himself. Yeah guys, that's today's project. It's a big project. He's come a long way away. Dorset is 209 miles away. Wow. Actually, it's not. It's 275 miles away. And that works out to 5 hours and 53 minutes. Wow. It's literally rock bottom of the UK. Fair play. Gotta respect it. I've got to respect it. And for customers like that, we go above and beyond. Not as if we don't go above and beyond for every customer, but we respect all our customers that come a long way away. 5 hours, 6 hours. We have customers coming from Glasgow, Edinburgh, Aberdeen, Scotland, and then we also have customers from Plymouth, Portsmouth, Bournemouth, Brighton. So fair play and big shout out and respect to all them customers that trek all the way to come down to Enkahnz HQ to get their cars customised. Right guys, on a very tight schedule, just got the car done, just loading up the wheels, 22-inch Sabre wheels, loading them into the car right now, and the driver needs to set off. It's 5:25 and we need to get the car out of here. So that is the second car that Adam's had customised here at Enkahnz HQ, and hopefully we've got many more Range Rovers that we can customise for Adam. So Adam, if you're watching this, Range Rover's all done mate, and give us a call once you've got the car.
Standard Range Rover HSE Dynamic versus Barugzai Range Rover. So, been quite busy recently. I've been trying to get into something a bit different and I wanted to start converting Range Rovers. I absolutely love the brand Range Rover, been buying and selling them for years, but I wanted to start sprucing some up. So this is the difference between the Standard and the Barugzai. Standard, as you can see, got a fog light at the front, it's not as low. Barugzai, I've got a lovely front bumper with 4 LED lights and the front splitter which I've added on. I'll quickly start the car, and as you can see, it's a sexy car. So that's with the Standards. Now the wheel difference, on a standard Range Rover we get the 21-inch alloy wheels, which don't get me wrong, they look absolutely lovely, but they don't look anything compared to these 22-inch diamond cut Barugzai alloy wheels. They fill the arches, they look mean, absolutely love that brand. I think it looks fantastic. Then, the standard spoiler looks like this. So it looks gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but I've added the extra spoiler from Barugzai, which just bulks the car up. If you come on this way, you can really see the difference. So this is a standard one underneath it, but this one's been put on top of it just to beef the car up a little bit. I also got the branding put on the car, and the Barugzai comes with quadruple exhaust exits with a lower bumper, and the standard Range Rover comes with a twin exhaust exit, and it just looks completely different to the back. So they're the difference between two. Now, I'm going to be the person in itself to be supplying and fitting these kits. So if anyone on the South area wants their car doing or would like a Barugzai Range Rover, we're going to be doing sports, Volars, Defenders, GLE Mercedes, G-Wagons. Just get in contact, guys, because I've got a constant supply of these kits and they just look fantastic. For as little as £2,500, you can have the body kit fitted and painted. You've got 5 different options of wheels. We've got other bits like splitters, extra spoilers. The list goes on, actually. And with Defenders, I've got loads of options. We've got side boxes, light bars, ladders, mud flaps, wheel covers, so much stuff. Guys, thanks for listening to me, and please get in contact if you're interested in my service.